This is just a short video of my workshop. Nothing much. I'm going to go in depth more on the things that we use in the workshop from a day-to-day basis. Yeah, I mean, there's a clock movement just being finished and clean, put on the seat board, probably ready to go in our other workshop. I'm going to be on test, which I'll show you in a second. A lot of things have gone out this week. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of work on all the time. It's really busy. Really busy. But yeah, this is pretty much it. There's a nice Schubelin pillar type drill, watchmaker's drill. Pretty handy really for drilling really small holes. There's my old lathe. That's a Drummond. That's from about 1905. Made that tool post. Just makes things a little bit more handy. Everything was sort of bolted onto another type of tool post. It's not a very heavy duty lathe. More on the model maker's side of things. The one advantage it does have, which is really handy, is if you look down below there, it's got a gearbox on it, so we can slow it right down to round about, looking over there on my chart, round about 266 revs per minute, which is pretty good. You know, we can get nice drilling speed, so we don't you know, heat the end of drills up too much and blunt them and have to keep resharpening. Come over here. This is my bench. That's where I work. Yeah, that's pretty much where I work most of the time. And we come here, we have our, you know, grinder, come polisher, come whatever. There's a smaller lathe, a smaller watchmaker's lathe. Yeah, that's used for, you know, does a lot of pivoting work, especially on the French clocks, if need be, pivot polishing. Yeah, many things. Full set of collets with that, which is really handy. It actually came in from America. I bought that from America about 5 years ago. Or there's a transformer for it because it's on 110. Up above there, that's where sometimes I'll take a photograph of a clock I might be selling, or, you know, a clock that's a customer's, just to leave it on display, leave it on test, just check it out. That's it on that particular situation. Going around the workshop, yeah, pretty much general things really. Pretty general. Here's our mainspring winding tool. It actually came from Germany. Pretty handy, does the job. Don't think it's as robust as a steel Ollie and Baker and things like that, but it's okay. It's fine. I feel quite comfortable with it. I don't feel I'm going to injure myself, especially when we're replacing fusey old English type clock springs, which can be quite heavy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a bench pretty much where Steve works most of the time. He's the other clockmaker who's involved with us. There's a couple of jobs that we've got to try and get out as soon as possible. They're all pending. Got a couple of wall clocks on that wall there, just ready to get some work done on them. Okay, I'll stop the video here and I'll just pop into the other workshop.